To connect printer with Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down and select device connect, then we can go to the print right here. Now we can click on our default print service first. Here make sure that it's enabled and then wait till your printer is available on this list when you enter pairing mode on it. So the most important step here is to enter pairing mode on your printer, and depending on your printer it will always be a different thing. So make sure to watch a specific video on how to enter pairing mode on your specific printer, and then it should show up on this list. You can always click on this plus button and then use the Wi-Fi direct for your printer or search for it with IP address. Alternatively, if both of those options doesn't work, you can go back to the print service right here and click on add print service. It should open your Google Play Store, and then you should see different printer plugins. So look for a printer brand that you have. For example, if you have Brother printer, then you can click on it and download this specific plugin. When it's downloaded, it should show up just like a default printer service. So here it will just take a moment to download, and then I will show you. So now if we go back to our print service, there's a Brother print service plugin, and here you should be able to find your printer if it's from the same brand. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.